Make sure the engine is cooled before performing any DIYs to avoid destroying the threads of the screw in the engine. First, we will be open this cup for smooth. We open the cup like this so the oil will drain smoothly. We will be using 17 mm. Now the screw is loose. We will be needing this bucket to catch the oil. Now that it is fully drained, we will just clean the outer part. Just hand tight. There. Not too tight, just like that. That will be good. The last time I replaced this, I only hand tight this, so I assume I can remove this by hand. And before removing this, make sure the bucket is under, so the oil will. In case you are having a hard time removing your oil filter, this tool may help you.
What you have to do is to do this inside. Then it's like, yeah, there. Let's remove it now.
Before installing this, we need to put oil on the rubber.
Yeah, just like that.
Make sure to clean before you installing your new filter. Just hand tight. Hand tight is good. This hole here is the full, and the other hole, this one, is the minimum. So it is now full.